dolls, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, American Gyaru, and today is a video that is random because I had a random weekend. So I did not post on Sunday, so sorry. But I went out and I just chilled a little bit, so I hope you enjoy some clips of the weekend. I did a little bit of shopping, so a little bit here, a little bit of there. Everywhere. Went to Ross. I went to go have some brunch with my boo, and of course subscription box that I got in the mail from Walmart, so I didn't realize, but they have a beauty box, $6.95, and it's seasonal, so I'm really excited, more curious as to see like what could possibly be in the box. And of course I will do a review on that. Walmart beauty box, it's $6.95, it's seasonal, so I'm really excited to see what kind of items that could be in here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Plastic. Ta-da! Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel and Natural Vitality Calm Raspberry Lemon Flavor, a magnesium supplement. It has their own little pamphlet. How cute. I do like to do subscription boxes, so if you want, you can take a look and see my other videos. I do BoxyCharm, I did Ipsy, and I do No Bake No Life. Can't believe this. So this, if you guys have not seen my anti-aging video that just came out, I literally looked all over for this product and I could not find it. Walmart had one, but this here is the Advanced Retinol Concentrate or Complex. I put this on last night. This is my actual number 7 that I got. This alone, I don't mind spending like $4 or $5, so that's pretty much the cost of, you know, what I just spent for the subscription box. Okay, Carousel. So intensive foot repair, clinically proven, visible results in 1 day, and it loosens hard, dry skin to exfoliate and deeply moisture. I like the size of this. I do need this, and you know what? We're gonna just bear it out today because I will actually use this in the video. Carousel. They have a face mask in here. These are definitely items that I do use. Not so glamorous per se, but definitely practical. For Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. I do know about this brand. I know that it's a great brand for skincare, so I'm super happy. To Ross's and just got, you know, a little some. Now that I'm back in the house, and I haven't gone to Ross's for so long, so I was kind of disappointed because again, it just didn't seem like they had a lot of stock. I got this really pretty peony hydrangea a friend loves at all times, so this is super cute. I'm actually going to be giving this as a gift to one of my dearest friends. It's her birthday today. And we got this Simply Beautiful facial power brush because I am into like skincare this year. So if you haven't checked out my last video, go ahead and check it out because it talks about like anti-aging, dealing with some chemical things to kind of bring back the skin, make it look healthier and younger. So, you know, my skin layer is pretty damaged, so I'm really excited, and cleanliness is very important. So now that I have the right type of cleansers, then I want a spin brush to make sure I get out all those dirt and everything like that so that my pores can shrink and I can have prettier skin by year end. It was like 10 bucks, regular is like $20. Pretty little soap. So it's like Easter time, peony soaps. And then I just needed some new like sponges. I got some of those, and these blending sponges were $3.99. I got this really cool trash can. So this trash can is only $5.99, so that's that. So I'm just bringing in the new, you know, keeping it fresh. Got some cute little birthday bags. So, and they're like, what? $2.99. Journal books and really cute sentimental gifts that you can find there for very reasonable prices. Now let's go ahead and move on. Oh, another thing I did over the weekend. I went to Ala Moana, which is like the biggest mall in Hawaii, and like, this is embarrassing. I have never gone to a Morphe store, and I only started recently hearing and knowing about Morphe until I started watching YouTube, making YouTube videos. So I actually went there, and I'll put a clip above about the items and my first visit to Morphe at the mall. And I'm really excited, so I hope you enjoy this little clip. And I'm actually working on that video right now, and that is what you can look forward to in the next video, where I will go over the items that I got from Morphe store, as well as do a fun little review. And alright, dolls, so I did freshen up. I took off all that makeup. I mean, I still look a little bit wangless. I kept my eyelashes on because I still need a little bit of security, looking a little decent for you dolls. So this also are the giveaways so far for March. So we have a door stopper, and we have these really cute spring shades. I will be giving and choosing it to those who are subscribed to my channel. So thank you, thank you. Please put the word enter into the comment section. Anyways, details are in the description box below. Alright, so I said I would try almost everything in the subscription box. And so we have this Calm, Vitality, and magnesium supplement. I'm not a big fan of these types of flavored drinks, but it's non-GMO and hopefully the flavor will taste decent. And I'm gonna see if this actually makes me feel more calm. For that calm tea, so cheers to ya. It's a little bit more carbonated. It's not too sweet. I can definitely taste like the raspberry, a little bit of lemon. It's not too sour. Am I calm is the big question. I don't know how much I'll have to drink to really get the whole entire feeling of calm. I did, however, drink some Starbucks before this, so it can be really good or it could be really bad. I'm not sure what you dolls are expecting if you guys were ever interested in getting the Walmart subscription box, because there were no makeups included in the subscription box. And I don't remember if they gave me kind of quiz to get to know me better as far as the type of products that I do like. So it's possible I could have just said that I want skin products. That could be the reason, but just have to double check. A face mask called Found. Argan sheet mask, firms and smooths for a more youthful looking complexion. Oh, feels so nice. Okay, so that's on my face. It's an intensive foot repair, and I promised that I would go ahead and actually try it out for you dolls. In here. Ew. So it's very ointment feeling. I got my cute little llama socks that I'm gonna put on. Little TLC for the feet. When I washed the residue that were on my hands with soap, it came off very easily, so it wasn't like, you know, super like thick and sticky. Really, really like that about this product. The bio oil. All right, let's give it a shot. My hands are very dry, and so are my forearms and obviously my elbows. Smells like petroleum. It smells like a very lightweight, like Vicks. I don't know if you guys know like Vicks for like when you have a medicinal type of smell, residue stuff. So I'm really hoping that this is not gonna be like that, because obviously I don't want to get this stuff all over my clothes. So kind of, it gives you like a little bit of like a shine. So I could see this being good for like after sun care, after going out in the sun. I do feel a lot more calm and chill. So again, a product I never would purchase or even think about purchasing. If you don't like teas, because I know there's like herbal teas that can give you the calm, then this would be a good alternative. Because I already use this product, if you really want to see me, if you want to look at the product in a little bit more detail, you can check out my other video. I can't actually use both products. I'm realizing this because this is a day moisture cream, so it's like 48-hour cream. I really want to try this one because I have not yet. And then this one here is a nighttime cream, so I can't put them on together at the same time. I actually have a little redness, and a lot of it is just because I have been using so many products on my face, so it's pretty sensitive. So I'm not sure if it was the face mask. I don't know if it kind of just brought it out, but there was a little bit of redness that came out. So I don't know if my skin has just been really sensitive recently. I'm going to go ahead now and put this on. This is the Healthy Glow Deep Hydration Cream. My skin is always very thirsty. Okay, so it's like that. Very light. Oh, it's a very fresh scent, so I really like that. The skin feels nice. Definitely feels like the solution absorbed into my skin. Relax and take it easy, and I will talk to you dolls later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, dolls.